Welcome to Rosetta Stone Catalyst with Guild Education. Before we start, you can turn on subtitles to follow along in your native language. Click the closed captioning icon in the lower right corner of the video player. To change the language of your subtitles, click the settings icon and select the subtitles option. Now, let's get started. The best way to learn a language is to surround yourself with it. Rosetta Stone Catalyst is a program built for working adults like you. When you enroll, you'll improve communication skills, gain confidence, and have fun. In this short video, you will understand how to get started with Rosetta Stone Catalyst. Learn how placement exams for some languages will help you get started in the right place. Find out what to expect inside your lessons. Plus, you'll learn how to use Rosetta Stone's live tutoring sessions. Through Rosetta Stone, you'll improve your language skills in a dynamic online classroom where you'll be listening, speaking, reading, and writing in your new language. As a child, you learn to speak by experiencing the world around you. Rosetta Stone imitates this experience by delivering lessons entirely in the language you want to learn. In doing so, you'll connect your new language with real-life situations. Rosetta Stone Catalyst is all online, which means you can access your lessons from wherever you are, whenever you want, using your phone, tablet, or computer. You'll have access to your lessons for 6 months. Over that time, you'll track your progress and measure your improvement. Plus, with Rosetta Stone, you'll get access to unlimited live tutoring sessions, available day and night, that are designed to help you practice, improve, and gain confidence. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an email with instructions that explain how to access Rosetta Stone. To get started, there are a few things that you'll need to know. When you log in for the first time, you'll either need to use a computer or log in through your mobile device's browser and set up your profile. From there, you can download the Rosetta Stone app. You'll also need a headset with a microphone so you can practice speaking and listening. The first time you log into Rosetta Stone, you may be prompted to complete a no-pressure placement exam. Your results will make sure you get started with the right lessons based on how much you already know. While not all languages require the exam, if you are prompted to complete it, we have a few helpful tips. First, don't stress. There are no good or bad scores, only a result that determines the best place for you to start, so you're not spending time learning things that you already know. Set aside a quiet place where you can access the exam. You can use your computer or the web browser on a mobile device. Keep in mind, it can take up to 45 minutes to complete the exam. Your results will show how fluent you are in the language you want to learn, and you'll use them to measure your progress over time. Once you've completed your exam, you'll be ready to start your personalized learning journey. As you get started, keep in mind that you are required to spend 60 minutes in your Rosetta Stone portal within the first 14 days of your program. If you don't meet this requirement by 11:59 p.m. on the 14th day, you will be dropped from your course. You'll take yourself through a series of lessons and activities that practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing, including hearing from native speakers so you can practice your pronunciation. Over time, you'll progress from words and phrases to sentences and conversations. Keep in mind that you can repeat your lessons and activities as many times as you'd like. When you feel ready, move on to the next lesson. To get the most out of your program, we have a few tips and tricks we recommend. Practice a little every day. Spending at least 30 minutes per day will help you learn new language concepts. It's better to spend a little time each day than it is to spend more time only once or twice a week. Attend at least one tutoring session each week, though we encourage you to do more, and you can do as many as you'd like. Schedule time on your calendar in advance and make learning a priority. Keep a notebook near where you can study and write down tricky words or phrases. Find a study buddy. Connect with a coworker, family member, or friend who can practice conversations with you. Don't be afraid of mistakes. That's how we learn. With Rosetta Stone, you have access to unlimited online, live, and fun tutoring sessions that you can access from your phone, computer, or tablet. Sessions are designed to help you practice and gain confidence in conversations. Your tutors know exactly where you are in your program, which means you'll practice the skills you just learned in your lesson. Each session lasts from 10 to 30 minutes and could be one-on-one, or you might be joined by a few other students. To access tutoring, you'll schedule an appointment right from your Rosetta Stone dashboard, where you'll find sessions on a variety of topics related to the lessons you're learning. Take a session once or repeat it as many times as you like. Remember, access to tutoring is unlimited, and the more you practice, the more you'll improve. That's why, in addition to 30 minutes a day in your lesson, we recommend at least one tutoring session per week. We're excited to welcome you to Rosetta Stone Catalyst and the beginning of your language learning journey. If you have any questions along the way, use the live chat right inside Rosetta Stone. And join our Facebook group just for Guild students. Find a study buddy, share what you're learning, and get helpful tips and tricks for staying on track. Best of luck and have fun!